Hi, I'm Colby with WTI, and today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite accessories for my iPhone 12. It's this ultra hybrid MagSafe case from Spigen. This case is super durable. The last iPhone I had, I dropped and broke the screen. So something that I was really looking for in my next case was protection. But I also didn't want to sacrifice looks. With this case by Spigen, you get both. The case is super shock absorbent. I've dropped my phone a couple of times since getting it, and I haven't had any problems with it. Even with a tempered glass screen protector, you can see that there is a good lip to protect your screen from damage. The quality of the material is great. I've had this cell phone case for a couple of months now, and the plastic is still clear. It hasn't been altered by the sun. It's holding up really well. Another feature that I love about it is the MagSafe ring on the back. This allows you to use all sorts of different accessories like car mounts and still be able to easily wirelessly charge your cell phone. If you're looking for a new case for your iPhone 12, I recommend the Ultra Hybrid MagSafe case from Spigen. That's my point of view.